Hi, this is a first in a series of short videos to show you how to use the AHRQ Systematic Review Data Repository for entering information from articles for systematic review. And what you see here, I've already got the AHRQ site open, SRDR.ahrq.gov. When you go there, it'll ask you to sign in. You can sign in, enter your password, etc. And then it will take you, you'll click on My SRDR, this little tab here, and it'll take you to the list of projects that you are a collaborator on, or if you happen to be a leader, as I am, you'll see the list of projects. Now what I'm going to show you is first is how to kind of set up before you even begin to enter a study, so you have everything you need in one place. And these are just little tips that I have found to be very useful. Now, one of the things that I like to do before I even start entering a study, see down here I'm going to ASMBS Nutrition, I would want to add a study, but let me show you what I'll have in place before I even start doing this. First, I like to have in another window, I like to have, and I'm obviously on a Mac, I'm just scrolling back and forth between windows. What I have here is open PubMed, and I'll just click on this. And one of the things you'll want to have handy is this PubMed ID. All articles in PubMed have a unique ID that identifies this information. And one of the things you'll want to do is you want to enter information about the article that you are abstracting into SRDR. But SRDR has this nifty little tool where if you can enter the PubMed ID, it'll pull in all the relevant information for you. So make sure you have that number available. The other thing you want to have available is the article itself, obviously. Now, there are different ways that you can have this article. You can have it in HTML format, which is right here. You see this is just formatted for the web. You can also have it in PDF, or you can have your article in hard copy right next to you. I found it best, and I'll show you why in a later video, to work from the HTML version. So this is, as you can see, this is the HTML version where I can click on things, I can get the data right there. The third thing I recommend that you have open is, at least initially, is the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, their algorithm for classifying research designs. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to identify what the design of a study is, and sometimes authors, bless their hearts, aren't always the best at identifying the correct research design for their own studies. So what I've found is that if you have any questions about, you're kind of new to this or it can be confusing, if you want to know how do I, am I dealing with a non-controlled trial, am I dealing with a randomized crossover, you can use this algorithm here to walk through and it'll help you to identify the article. So let me go back here, and I'm going to scroll back over. Now, if you're on a PC rather than a Mac, as I am, you would just be clicking down on your the bottom in between your browser windows. So this is the setup, how you want to get everything ready before you begin. And in the next video, I'll walk you through adding a study and beginning to enter the information from your study.